Straight lines, part 16.
Hi, hello everyone. For this session, we will discuss few problems. So, see the first problem. Find the orthocenter of the triangle with the vertices are given. So, see here, this is the triangle ABC. Okay. So, whose vertices are given? So, what are that? Minus 2 comma minus 1, and B is what? 6 comma minus 1, and C is 2 comma 5. So see here, solution, let A minus 2 comma minus 1, B 6 comma minus 1, and C 2 comma 5. So this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2, this is x3 y3. Now see here, what is mean by orthocenter? The point of intersection of the altitudes is called as orthocenter. So that is, so a perpendicular line drawn from vertex to the opposite side, and again a perpendicular line drawn from vertex B to opposite side. Then this point of intersection is called as orthocenter. So for that, you need to find altitude through A and altitude through B, and solving both of them, you will get the orthocenter. So see here, you know that the altitude through A. So what is that equation? X minus x1 into x2 minus x3 plus y minus y1 into y2 minus y3 is equals to 0. So once you observe here, you will get 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. So order. Now substitute x1, x2, x3 and y1, y2, y3. So see here what you get, x minus x1, that is x plus 2. And x2 minus x3, that is 6 minus 2, plus y minus y1, you will get y plus 1, and y2 minus y3, minus 1 minus 5 is equals to 0. Now this is what? 4 into this, 4x plus 8, and minus 6 into y, minus 6y, minus 6 is equal to 0. Now what you get? 4x minus 6y plus 2 is equals to 0. So 2 is common, you will get 2x minus 3y plus 1 equals to 0. So this is altitude through A equation. Now you need to find altitude through B. See here, the altitude through B. So what is that equation? Here you have to apply cyclic process. Means, so here 1, this is 2, and this is 3. So after 1 you have to write 2, after 2 you have to write 3, after 3 you have to write 1. So like that. See here, x minus x1, after 1 you will get a 2. So that is x minus x2, and similarly after 2, 3, after 3, 1, that is x3 minus x1 plus y minus y2 into y3 minus y1 is equals to 0. Again we have to substitute the x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. So here what you get? X minus x2, that is x minus 6, x3 minus x1, so 2 minus of minus 2, you will get 4. Next, plus y minus y2, that is y plus 1, and y3 minus y1, so 5 minus of minus 1, 5 plus 1, 6 is equals to 0. Now see here, this is 4x, next minus 24, next 6y plus 6. Now this is what? 4x plus 6y minus 24 plus 6 minus 18 equals to 0. So here 2 is common, what you get? 2x plus 3y minus 9 equals to 0. So this is equation 2. Now we have to solve both equations 1 and 2. See here, solving 1 and 2. So write x, y constant. So we have to write from second value. So that is minus 3 and write horizontally 1, 2 minus 3. 1, 2 minus 3. Next here 3 minus 9, 2, next 3. So clearly what you get? X by 27 minus 3, that is 24, and y by 2 plus 18, that is 20, is equal to constant by 6 plus 6, 12. Okay, now equating first and last. See here, therefore x is equal to what? 12 by x is equal to what? 24 by 12, that is 2, and y is equal to what? 20 by 12, that is 5 by 3. Therefore what is the orthocenter? So the orthocenter is 2 comma 5 by 3. So this is the required orthocenter. Okay, so see here second method. So this is the triangle ABC. Okay, now this is the altitude through E and this is altitude through B. So clearly this point of intersection is what? Orthocenter. Okay, now see here, you need to find the equation of AD. So clearly that AD equation passing through the point minus 2 comma minus 1. Now you need to find the slope of that line and apply slope point form. You will get AD equation. So similarly you can find B equation. So solving both of them, you will get the orthocenter. See here. So first you need to find the slope of AD. See here, AD is perpendicular to BC. Now using slope of BC, you can find the slope of AD. See here, that is B is 6 comma minus 1 and C is 2 comma 5. So first find slope of BC. Slope of BC. See here, M1 is what? See here, you know that the slope of 2 points, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So what is that? This is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. 5 minus of minus 1. 5 plus 1, 2 minus 6. So this is 6 by minus 4. You will get minus 3 by 2. But AD is perpendicular to BC. So therefore slope of AD. So what is that? M is equal to. So write reverse 2 by 3. If plus is there, write minus, and minus is there, write plus. Therefore equation of AD through A minus 2 comma minus 1 and slope M is equal to 2 by 3 is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So this is x1 and this is y1. Substitute here, what you get? Y plus 1 is equal to 2 by 3 into x minus x1, that is x plus 2. So this is what? 3y plus 3 is equal to 2x plus 4. Now this is 2x minus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. This is equation 1. Now similarly you can find slope of AC. See here, slope of AC. So what is that? M1 is equal to. So take these 2 points for finding the slopes. Apply same formula. y2 minus y1 So 5 plus 1 6, x2 minus x1, 2 plus 2 4. You will get 3 by 2. Now here B is perpendicular to AC. See here, BE perpendicular to AC. Therefore, slope of B. So what is that? Write reverse 2 by 3 and write minus opposite signs. Now equation of BE through which point? B. 6 minus 1 and slope minus 2 by 3. So we have to apply same formula. So this is x1 y1. So y minus y1, that is y plus 1. M is minus 2 by 3 into x minus x1, that is x minus 6. So cross multiplication you will get 3y plus 3 is equal to minus 2x plus 2y. Now this is what? 2x plus 3y minus 9 equals to 0. Now solving 1 and 2. So we will get same answer. So solving 1 and 2, you get orthocenter 2 comma. So we get orthocenter. So what is that? 2 comma 5 by 3. Okay. This is method 2. So see a second one. Find the orthocenter of the triangle formed by the 3 lines. So see here. So this is the triangle whose sides are given. So this is equation 1 and this is equation 2 and this is equation 3. Now you need to find the orthocenter of the triangle formed by the 3 lines. See here, solution. Given lines. So what are the given lines? X plus 2y is equal to 0. This is equation 1. And 4x plus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0. This is equation 2. Next, 3x plus y is equal to 0. This is equation 3. Now we have to solve equation 1 and 2. You will get the vertex A. And solving 1 and 3 you will get vertex B. And solving 2 and 3 you will get vertex C. So see here. Solving 1 and 2. Okay. Now see here x, y constant. And write from second element. See here and start from second. So here start from second term, that is 2. Next there is no constant, write 0. Next 1, 2. Here 3 minus 5, 4, 3. So x by minus 10 and y by 0 plus 5 and constant by 3 minus 8. So x is equal to minus 10 by minus 5 and y is equal to 5 by minus 5. So x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 1. Therefore vertex A is 2 comma minus 1. So clearly this point is what? 2 comma minus 1. And solving 1 and 3. See here, solving 1 and 3. So clearly once you observe equation 1 and 3, there is no constant term. So clearly we will get origin. So that is B. Next solving 2 and 3. See here solving 2 and 3. See here what you get? Equation 2. Here write x, y constant. Equation 2. This one. Start from second term and write horizontally 3 minus 5, 4, 3. And equation 3. Start from second term. 1. There is no constant, 0 and 3, 1. So this is x by 0 minus of minus 5, you will get 5, and y by minus 15 and constant by 4 minus 9. So clearly x is equal to 5 by minus 5 and y is equal to minus 15 by minus 5. So x comma y, that is what? Minus 1 comma 3. So clearly this point is what? C, minus 1 comma 3. So this is minus 1 comma 3. So clearly we will get 3 vertices. So clear this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2, this is x3 y3. So you know that if 3 vertices are given, then we can find altitude through A and altitude through B, and solving both of them you will get the orthocenter. So therefore vertex A is what? 2 comma minus 1, vertex B is 0 comma 0, vertex C is minus 1 comma 3. So this is x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Now first find altitude through A. See here, altitude through A. So what is that equation? You know that x minus x1, x2 minus x3 plus y minus y1, y2 minus y3 is equals to 0. So substitute x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. So here what you get? X minus 2, x2 minus x3. So 0 minus of minus 1 will get 0 plus 1, and y minus y1, that is y plus 1, and y2 minus y3, 0 minus of 3 is minus 3 is equals to 0. Now this is x minus 2 minus 3y minus 3 equals to 0. So this is x minus 3y minus 5 equals to 0. This is equation 1. Next find altitude through B. So this altitude. So this is the point of intersection of altitudes is orthocenter. See here next, altitude through B. So what is that equation? X minus x2, x3 minus x1 plus y minus y2, y3 minus y1 is equals to 0. So substitute here what you get? X minus x2, x minus 0, x3 minus x1, minus 1 minus 2 plus y minus 0, y3 minus y1. So 3 plus 1. So this is what? Minus 3x, and this is what? Plus 4y is equals to 0. So this is 3x minus 4y equals to 0. So this is equation 4, this is equation 5. Now solving 4 and 5. So solving equation 4 and 5. X, y constant. So start from second term. Minus 3, minus 5, 1, minus 3. Next here, minus 4, 0, 3, minus 4. So this is x by minus 20 and y by minus 15 and constant by minus 4 plus 9, that is 5. So therefore x is equal to minus 4, y is equal to minus 3. So therefore orthocenter. So what is orthocenter? Minus 4 comma minus 3. So this is the required orthocenter. So try to solve these two questions. So for next session we will discuss more problems.